In this video, I will show you how to book an appointment on Bank of Montreal. So I have in here this bmo.com and we have in here this bank by appointment. So for what we can do right here is you can head over right there to this web page, and then for this one, what we can do is it will ask if you're currently a BMO banking customer. As you see here, this no option right now, and then click onto this get started, and then after that, you just need to head over and see this. So if you want to book an appointment with a specific BMO representative, just call this number right here as well. So for this one, you can also find your appointment by finding your email address as well as your reference number right there. So you can enter into your security check first before you book an appointment. From in there, choosing your location. So for example, select this location right here, and then can click on continue, and after that choose in here the discussion topic as well, like for example, let's choose in here mortgages, buy my first home, and then choose in here appointment and click on continue, and then after that just head over and then input next your appointment time and date, which is actually this one is available. After that, provide your contact information and then review the appointment that you have just made.